Hey cruisers, welcome back to Gearathon, 26 days of gear reveals and reviews. We hope you're having a wonderful time this month of June, going through all kinds of new products. So Mr. Cruise Tips TV sent me a text message a few weeks ago and he said, oh my gosh, babe, I found something so fun. I think this would make the best gift. And I'm really excited to show this to you. This is a 3-piece compression bag set that we found on Amazon. We will link to it in the description below. It is under $25 and it is a set of 3 compression packing cubes with gorgeous New York skyline photos on it. It is so gorgeous. Look at this. Isn't it cute? This is my favorite, by the way, the mid-size one. And this is the last one. I think these are so gorgeous, and I think that they would make the ultimate gift for somebody who is sailing out of New York, because isn't New York sail away just the best thing in the world? So anyway, we really, of course, packing cubes are practical and we had practicality in mind, but when we thought of buying these, we thought these are just the awesomest is not a word, but I'm gonna say it anyway, the awesomest gift for somebody who loves New York or is sailing out of New York. So let's talk a little bit about the product. As I mentioned, they're just under $25. You can get them on Amazon and they're Prime eligible. There is a teeny tiny little packing cube. These are really good for undergarments, swimsuits, socks, things for your stateroom like your extension cord, maybe some magnets, things like that. The way that these work is that they have 2 sets of zippers. So you open both sets of zippers fully to put your stuff in them. I'll kind of show you how it works. So here we go. It's easiest to show you on the small set. So you open both sets of zippers up at first, and then you put all of your items here in the cube. Once you have everything inside the cube, you shut the top zipper, and then you use the second compression zipper here, which I'm not doing a very good job of demonstrating, but you use the second compression zipper here to shut the cube up and make everything look all tidy, which I did not successfully just do, so sorry about that. That was not graceful. Anyway, that's how these little guys work. This one would fit in a carry-on bag. I think all 3 of them would actually fit just fine in a carry-on bag. So I'll give you a closer look at the designs on each, but here's the first, and once again, here's the second, my favorite with the bridge in it, so gorgeous. And then here's a better look at the 3rd bag. So one thing that I like about all of these, you guys, is that they have a handle on top. It seems like a silly thing, but it's actually a really nice feature for several different reasons. Number one, when you pack these and kind of put them in your closet ahead of time, you can just grab them by the handle and toss them in your suitcase. You can also just pull them out of your suitcase with the handle and put them on the shelves of your stateroom, closet, things like that. So I think that's really practical. The price is also terrific for a set of packing cubes. And of course, the best thing about them is the design is simply fun. We did test the zippers out on these and they are awesome. I haven't taken them on a cruise yet, but the zippers seem to flow really nicely, which is a really important quality check when you're working with a set of packing cubes. So we hope that you have enjoyed these and they'll make a good gift for someone that you know in your life. Why don't you guys let us know what your favorite item so far in Gearathon has been in the comments below. And until next time, get in gear and get cruising. Bye-bye.